something. Wait, I should just recheck it again cause once I was live then okay, so I'm live. So hello guys, welcome back to a quant price or here we I'm going to explain in the series. There will be like 7 or 6 videos which I have planned and in which I'm going to explain you what is money zone and how to use it and this is the most advanced and most beautiful tool from mathematics and volume point of view of the market because so here are three levels like as we have covered in the previous CPR series. In CPR, so there were 11 mathematical points which were R1 to R5 and S1 to S5, and there were three main averaging points which were top central, pivot point, and bottom central. So we covered all the stats behind those things and narrow CPR, wide CPR, also the probabilities of open close, and also how trend works with respect to CPR, and also how to set the bias for multiple time frame of CPRs. And we have covered all those things in the different series. So basically this series that is also half knowledge because we'll be covering like all three frameworks which Franco Choha has covered in the book and which made me go through my break even period and everything. So we'll be discussing everything about POC and Hancock in the series. So basically for POC you can just go to TradingView and you can just apply this indicator in 30-minute time frame. This basically works in 30-minute time frame. So basically here are if you can like can see it, here are three boundaries. This is one, this is two, and this is three. So basically there are three lines in the chart. Basically same like CPR. As CPR had three lines, so basically money zone also have these three lines. So basically what you can see the setting, somehow it may developing Hancock may look like some Bollinger Band or something. See, it looks like Bollinger Band, and I'll also explain the beauty of the Bollinger Band, which I think nobody has covered. So basically, these three lines developing is what जो time के साथ develop होता है. It's like a moving average. If you use any developing indicator, but we are using this in static value like static format जो कि पिछले दिन से ये पूरे दिन के लिए it's gonna remain same. पूरे दिन के लिए it's gonna remain same. और ये पहली कैंडल बनते ही you can see it on your screen. ये when first candle is formed you can at that time only you can have it on your screen. So basically इसमें 3 points होते हैं. This middle line, wait, I should use the board maybe for this. So yeah, I should be using the board. Wait. Yeah, so basically unlike अरे यार ये तो ऐसे मजा नहीं आ रहा है. So same as CPR, this thing also have like three mathematical points and how to calculate those. It is impossible to calculate it with manual drawings like जैसे लोग CPR या ऐसे कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर में ऐसे लाइन बना देते हैं. It's not those, these are all mathematical based tools. So basically what is value, so basically ये जो थ्री लाइंस होती हैं उन थ्री लाइंस का मतलब क्या है. ऊपर वाले को कहते हैं वैल्यू एरिया हाई, बीच वाले को कहते हैं पीओसी. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, विल बी लर्निंग थ्रू पीओसी. एंड दिस इज सेम जैसे वहाँ पे होता था टॉप सेंट्रल, पिवट पॉइंट, or here it is value area low. सो यहाँ ओके मार्कर अच्छे से नहीं चल रहा है. सो सिंपल है. दिस इज जैसे सीपीआर में 3 लेवल्स थे. टॉप सेंट्रल, यहाँ पे उसको कहते हैं वैल्यू एरिया हाई. पिवट पॉइंट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्योंकि हम इससे बायस सेट करते थे, इसको कहते हैं पीओसी. और नीचे वाले को हम कहते थे बॉटम सेंट्रल, इसके नीचे वाले को कहते हैं वैल्यू एरिया लो. सो ये 3 पॉइंट्स क्लियर हैं. अब मैं चार्ट में और थोड़ा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ कि हाउ यू कैन सी इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो दिस इज हाउ यू सी इट ऑन द स्क्रीन कि वेट, oh shit, हाँ it's good. So basically when you put this indicator और इसकी जो ऊपर वाली लाइन है, this is called value area high, this is called POC, this is called value area low. Same, these 3 lines are fixed. We'll discuss the maths about these 3 lines. So basically this is value area high, this is POC, this is value area low. Same for different day, this is value area high, low and POC. सो बेसिकली एक बार ये सीरीज़ में जो जो भी आ गए हैं, अगर जो पहली बार मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, सो you should just go and check out the CPR series. Otherwise, it'll be the half knowledge and you won't be able to use it properly. So if you want to use it properly, you should just go and check out the CPR series. There are only 6 videos. You can just sit for an hour and cover all the mathematical things. I am 100% sure कुछ ऐसा ही पता लगेगा जो कि अभी तक नहीं पता लगा है. सो ये एक वीडियो है अबाउट पीओसी. सबसे पहले हम पीओसी के बारे में बात करते हैं. व्हाट इज पीओसी? और कहीं कहीं पे इसको वीपीओसी भी मेंशन करते हैं. इसको वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल भी कहते हैं कुछ लोग सेशन वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल भी कहते हैं. So what is it? How to like navigate it and how to use this tool to just make decisions in the market, not just plotting it anywhere randomly and do not knowing how to use it. So we'll cover everything in this series. So basically POC का full form है, this is not CPR, this is volume profile series. Maybe I have to just stand up and make the video much better. So yeah, wake up. Yes. So what is POC? POC is इंक खत्म हो गई यार. Point of control. So this is video 1 volume profile. अरे यार. सो पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल वो होता है जहाँ से मार्केट को कंट्रोल भी किया जाता है. सीरियसली दिस लिटरली मीन्स पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल. पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल मीन्स कि हम किसी भी टाइम पीरियड के लिए बात करते हैं. व्हेन वी मेक द डिसीजंस, वेदर वी आर डिस्कसिंग इट फॉर द डे, वीक, month, or like 30 minutes, whatever you're doing, you should have a time based bias. So basically POC की help से we fix the bias. ये तो सिंपल सी पॉइंट है, समझ में आ गया होगा कि बट व्हाट इज पीओसी, व्हाट एक्चुअल पीओसी इज. सो बेसिकली दिस इज सम डे, okay, this is some other day, okay, this is, I'm just making this timeline, okay, and this is some different day. So this is day 1, day 2 and day 3. So basically what Hancock indicator does, जब यहाँ पे कुछ भी हुआ, whatever trading activity happened for this day, okay, इसका जो मोस्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस होगा, whatever it can be any price, most most traded price is called POC. लाइक जिस भी प्राइस पे हाईएस्ट हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर्स और हाईएस्ट हैंड एक्सचेंज्ड हैंड एक्सचेंज्ड हुए हैं किसी भी टाइम पीरियड, जैसे एक दिन के लिए जिस भी प्राइस पे हाईएस्ट हैंड एक्सचेंज हुए हैं उसको कहते हैं पीओसी. और इसको हम देख सकते हैं कुछ गणित की मदद से, मतलब बेसिकली कि हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि पिछले दिन के लिए कौन सा प्राइस था, जो कि लोग आंख से देखने की कोशिश करते हैं कि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्डर्स लगे हुए हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी कैंडल्स हैं, ये जोन है. दैट इज़ ऑल बुलशिट. सो बेसिकली यू नीड टू यूज़ पीओसी फॉर दैट. पीओसी इज हाईएस्ट traded price, also known as POC. अब सिंपल सी दिमाग लगाओ, इतना सोचने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर POC कोई एक पॉइंट है, कोई एक प्राइस है POC जिस पे हाईएस्ट, ये नहीं कह रहा कि वो सबसे बड़ा सबसे छोटा, नो, हाईएस्ट मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा हैंड एक्सचेंजेस प्राइस के ऊपर हुए हैं, अगर ओपन उसके ऊपर हो रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या है गाइस? डिमांड इज देयर, demands are there, that means it's bull bias. सेम है सीपीआर, जैसे हमने सीपीआर समझा था, दैट इज ऑल्सो मैथमेटिकल टूल. हाउ टू सेट द बायस यूजिंग मैथमेटिकल टूल्स. सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट वीडियो हमेशा इसी के बारे में होता है सीरीज में. So this is the second framework we are discussing. This is first framework was CPR, we have already covered. So POC is first how to set the bias. Set the bias using POC. अगर POC के ऊपर है, if open tick is greater than POC, it's bullish bias. If open tick is less than POC, sell bias. बिल्कुल सिंपल है, मतलब बिल्कुल सिंपल है कि कल कोई चीज 50 रुपए पे सबसे ज्यादा लोगों ने खरीदी. आई नो मैं अपने आप को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहा हूँ ऐसे स्टूपिड एग्जांपल देके, बट स्टिल सच तो यही है कि इफ द 50 रुपए वॉज द हाइएस्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस ऑफ प्रीवियस डे and today's opening is above that price, that means it's a bullish bias. Simple. Or if it is opening below POC, that means it's sell bias. Some sellers are there. So this is simple, I guess. This was simple. अब हम वैल्यू एरिया हाई वैल्यू एरिया लो क्या होता है, दिस इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट बट बी देयर विथ मी. I'll be like try to break it down to the easiest part possible. So value area high, वैल्यू एरिया हाई वो होता है जो किसी भी टाइम फ्रेम या फिर क्लोज पीरियड फॉर अ डे, हम क्योंकि सिंगल पूरे डे की बात करेंगे, उस जब हम किसी भी सॉरी, जैसे सीपीआर तो हमने एक रेंज है, हमने ये बात की, पहले थोड़ा सा सीपीआर समझते हैं। सीपीआर टेल्स अस अबाउट द रेंज कि ओपन, हाई, लो, क्लोज में क्या रेंज बन रही है। इट कैन बी नैरो, नैरो, वाइड और एवरेज। ये हमने कवर कर चुका है, राइट। बेसिकली सो दिस indicates us about the range. what what are the ranges in the price? R1 कितना दूर है pivot से, S1 कितना दूर है, how big is the target, how how small is the stop loss. So basically this is for that thing. Okay, we have already covered the 7 videos. Just go and check out. I have to just keep promoting myself until I get monetized. So yeah, that was it. So basically this whole money zone thing, once you plot this money zone, जो इतना अभी मैंने इंडिकेटर दिखाया ट्रेडिंग व्यू में, इफ आई शो यू अगेन. सो बेसिकली दिस थ्री लाइन एंड दिस प्लॉटेड एरिया, this is not fixed. I mean, POC could be close to value area high, it can be here. Like CPR mein we have this relation that top central and bottom central will have the same distance from the mean price, but here it's not fixed. POC can be anywhere between value area high to value area low, value area high to value area low. POC can lie anywhere, and POC is the highest traded price, highest traded price of the session. So I think this is it for this video now. Okay, also, so what this whole box represent, this represents the 70% of trading of the previous डे. सो बेसिकली सीपीआर हमें रेंज बताता था कि ओपन, हाई, लो, क्लोज की रिस्पेक्ट में हाउ द मार्केट इज शिफ्टिंग, हाउ द रेंजेस आर शिफ्टिंग, कि वॉल्यूम्स इज इन, मतलब नॉट वॉल्यूम्स, लाइक रेंज ऑफ द प्राइसेस आर इंक्रीजिंग. R1 कहाँ है, R2 कहाँ है, यू कैन कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंसेस मैथमेटिकली. दैट इज for CPR. But here what it is showing, it is the area based tool. This is the area. It tells us about the 70% trading happened in this zone in in last period. So basically this whole thing is area, that thing was range. So also this tool is used to navigate value, like where the value is shifting, where the real orders are shifting, because जो लोग खरीद बेच रहे हैं, only they can influence the market, not other people who are not trading, selling, buying. They are just bullshitting on the news, and so the news and everything is secondary. This is first database tools, how the price is shifting. And once you understand this whole thing, this money zone whole volume profile thing is the 70% trading area of the previous day, which is like highest trading zone, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा ऑर्डर लगे हैं, दैट 70%, और उसमें भी उन 70% में से भी जो हाईएस्ट ट्रेडिंग है, दैट इज POC, like highest hand exchanged on some price, that is called POC. So basically imagine this is looking like CPR, but yeah, it's not a CPR. Basically this is money zone. Okay, consider it to be the money zone indicator. So basically this is POC. ये अगर अगले दिन चार्ट पे बन रहा है and the prices are opening somewhere here. Okay, so this basically this is bullish bias, इतना तो हमने सीख ही लिया है. Also this thing is called overvalued. cause ये प्रीवियस दिन की 70% ट्रेडिंग एक्टिविटी के ऊपर ओपन हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स दिस इज ओवर वैल्यूड ओपनिंग। Okay, so basically we just have covered the overvalued opening. Basically, when the opening is above the money zone, okay, it's like it is not inside the money zone. When opening is above POC, that means it's already bullish bias with respect to money zone. But when you consider it to be overvalued, when it is outside this area, this whole area, इसके बाहर, if the price has gone any tick, that means it is overvalued. And means overvalued देखने के लिए simple maths, if you use how to check overvalued for any time period. So when the tick tick is the price, जो कि किसी भी मोमेंट पे प्राइस है, उसको कहते हैं कि उस मोमेंट का टिक. So when the tick is greater than value area high, that means the price is overvalued. When the tick is below when the tick is below वैल्यू एरिया लो, मतलब डाउन साइड के नीचे, ऐसे सिंपल इधर समझाता हूँ मैं. दिस इज लाइक मनी जोन, ओके, एंड द टिक इज बिलो दिस वैल्यू एरिया लो, दैट मीन्स इट्स अंडर वैल्यूड. दैट मीन्स इट्स दैट मीन्स इट्स अंडर वैल्यूड. सो बेसिकली ये दो चीज़ें और बहुत ही क्लियर रखना, हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में समझेंगे कि अंडर दिस इज लाइक द हाफ इंफॉर्मेशन गाइस, दिस इज वी आर लर्निंग थ्रू द vocabulary if you feel like it. So basically how to see undervalued, how to see overvalued. So this is it. I mean, then when the opening, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि अंडर वैल्यूड है मतलब सेल करना, नो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू मेक एनी डिसीजन, वी आर जस्ट डेवलपिंग द अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट thing is called what. Then we will be mathematically setting all the rules. We it's not like कि हम आज कुछ कर रहे हैं कल कुछ अलग करेंगे, no, every day we will be doing the same thing. So but before that you need to have the clear understanding and we need to be on the same page. So this is how we decide overvalued, this is how we decide undervalued. This is undervalued when the price is below value area low. Value area low is what, जो 70% बॉक्स का सबसे लोएस्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस था, दैट इज वैल्यू एरिया लो. ओके, जो हाईएस्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस था दैट इज पीओसी, एंड दिस इज वैल्यू एरिया हाई. पीओसी के रिस्पेक्ट में ये 70% बॉक्स कवर किया जाता है, और इसकी बहुत ही डीप स्टडी है जिम सीमेंस एंड पीपल लाइक I don't know, IBM scientist or someone who figured it out this thing, that there has a more picture in the data, which it seems. So this was the first data driven mathematical tools which were designed in past 80s or 2000s. I think that the volume profile was designed in the 80s it seems. So basically सोचो उस टाइम पे वो लोग हाथ से करते होंगे. Think about it, just like किसी को एरे पता है, एरे थोड़ा सा कंप्यूटर बेस्ड पढ़ लेते हैं. एरे में क्या करता है, एरे काउंट प्लस प्लस, थोड़ा सा एरे काउंट प्लस प्लस है ये बेसिकली, कि हर एक टिक को कैलकुलेट किया, एवरी टिक लाइक फर्स्ट नैनो सेकेंड में वेयर वाज द प्राइस, सेकेंड नैनो सेकेंड में. सो बेसिकली जस्ट होल्ड दिन के लिए इट राइट डाउन ऑल द प्राइजेस, एंड उसने चेक किया कि हाईएस्ट किस एरे में सबसे ज़्यादा डेटा एलिमेंट फिल हुए हैं. सो बेसिकली गॉट द आंसर कि जिस भी वाले में हाईएस्ट टिक हुए हैं किसी भी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे दिन के, मतलब हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर्स प्लेस हुए हैं जिस भी प्राइस पे, टाइम कुछ भी रहा हो, but the highest traded price is called POC. So basically we have discussed many things. So now the time is to show you how it looks on the chart and everything. So basically you can come here and on trading view you can apply this indicator Hancock volume profile. So basically here you go. अब ये देखो, the dip happened at value area high, and this is POC, this is value area low. Opening was overvalued. Also, if we apply CPR, फिर मजा तब आती है. If we apply both the things together, then you can see beauty in the charts. But before that, you need to have the understanding of CPR as well. See, this was bullish bias, सिंपल ट्रेंड है, क्लियर ही दिख रहा था और ऐसे ही ओपनिंग मिली. 30 मिनट्स पे देखना है विद हैंकॉक. इट वाज ओवर वैल्यूड, ओपनिंग वाज अबव सीपीआर, बुलिश बायस. जैसे ही पता लगा फट गया. सी सेम सेलिंग, वैल्यू एरिया लो के नीचे ओपन हुआ सीपीआर के, बोथ द बायसेस वर क्लियर कि ये सेल है. सिंपल. अगले दिन भी क्लियर था, नीचे ओपनिंग हुई, S1 तक आया, इट वाज परफेक्ट सेल पॉइंट एंड see went away. See here the bias tried to turn and exactly taking support at pivot point and value area low. So basically this is how you can navigate. See here the opening was overvalued, rejecting the bias, CPR was shifting downwards and boom. And also see here again the bias was bullish. How you can like navigate the bias with money zone, I think you have the best explanation now. Here the opening was below value area low and it was a sell bias. See, when biases are not clear, ये भी समझने का एक पॉइंट है जो कि CPR सीरीज में मैंने कवर नहीं किया है, so I'll cover it here. When when you don't have the clear biases, so when you shouldn't be trading, when the open and close, like previous close or previous open happens in CPR, so जब मीन प्राइस में ही ओपन हुआ, that means the bias is not fixed. Same with money zone. When the opening or the previous closing happened in the money zone itself, that means the bias is not fixed. Bias is not fixed. We will learn through that how to set the bias. So basically, I just explained you that you should only be looking for the days which are overvalued or undervalued. So you can push prices undervalued to more undervalued, and you can again push prices from overvalued to more overvalued, becoming initiative or responsive players, which I have already covered in the CPR series. You should also know about those players, what is responsive participants, what is responsive participants. Overvalued से overvalued price ले जाने वाले players को कहते हैं responsive, sorry, initiative participants. And मतलब जो कि सेम मूव को if it has opened undervalued and prices are falling again, so that is initiative move. So basically we have covered all those things in the CPR series. So few things were there and few things are, basically you need to know everything. So anyways you have to just go through the series, and otherwise there's no way out for you to learn trading. You just have to know everything there in the book, and every possibility and every open high close relation with respect to the bias. So basically if I were to show you today's bias in gold, see how you can use this. See, it is already above R2, such a narrow CPR which we have already discussed, and I'll show you how to set the bias. See, the dip, the previous day dip was at the POC, which was, जो कि इस पूरे दिन का, ये जो पूरा दिन था, इस पूरे दिन का highest traded price was this price. This has been calculated from the tools, computer based tools, and really high accuracy codes. This is not just आँख से देख के कि this zone is something like that. No, this one price is fixed. This was the highest traded price of this whole previous period. So it opened overvalued, took a dip exactly at POC, and boom, rallied towards upward because CPR was shifting upwards, which we have covered in the previous video series. See, today again, the CPRs were shifting upwards, the value was shifting upward, the previous closing was above POC, the new opening was above POC, and see again you can see these beautiful trends. And somebody who does know about POC, they puts orders here, guy. भाई मतलब इस accuracy पे वो लोग order लगाते हैं. Look at this guy who just bought it here at the POC. यहाँ तो trading view पे tick भी register नहीं हुआ and boom. So that's the power of POC and knowing the overvalued and undervalued closing. So this was the undervalued closing if you see. It has taken support because this is also multi-time frame. If you were to change the time frames, you can have it for different time frame. But for every time frame, you need to use only 30-minute period to be. Because अगर time frame बदलोगे, then POC will change. Not most of the people understand it, but yeah, I'm telling you, if you change the time frame, the value of POC changes. So use it on 30 minutes so that you can know the right POC and right value areas. Where are the different value areas? So that is it for this first video. I guess we'll be making more videos and making the whole concept like really clear on the fingertips so that you can apply and set all the biases. Okay, so my camera was on, so okay, no worries, I'll go through it again. So basically, as you can see, it's here, this thing, the last dip occurred at POC. this इस पूरे टाइम पीरियड का, ये जो पूरी ट्रेडिंग हुई है, इस पूरे पीरियड का ये हाईएस्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस है. एंड दिस इज मैथ्स बेस्ड. एंड सी द ओपनिंग एंड प्रीवियस क्लोजिंग वाज ओवर वैल्यूड, वैल्यू एरिया हाई के ऊपर हुई थी. एंड again the dip happened at POC and boom, same thing here also. The ranges were shifting upwards, POCs were shifting upwards. If you next video में हम पढ़ेंगे 2-day POC relationship and 2-day money zone relationship, which is the best trading case, which is the worst trading case and all that. So before that I think I'm really clear कि फटता कब है मार्केट. मार्केट फटता तब है जब इसके ऊपर ही ओपन और क्लोज होता है. ऐसे इसके ऊपर जाते ही बूम, इसके अंदर अगर ओपन क्लोज होता है तो इट्स अ कंसोलिडेशन केस. ऑल्सो इफ सीपीआर के ही अंदर क्लोज होता है और उसके उसमें ही ओपन होता है, देन इट्स ऑल्सो अ कंसोलिडेशन केस. सी व्हेन इट द ओपनिंग इज अबव the money zone and top central. See how quant computers plays it at the highest accuracy. Minutes में प्राइस ऊपर जाता है एंड मिनट्स में नीचे आता है. सो there was at see here also the bullish bias formed morning में. see एक ही बार में R1 test हुआ, then again took a dip. This POC line for this day was decided from the whole period and whole activity of this day. This was the highest price of this day. So and also this whole box is the 70% traded prices of this day. Matlab, so basically this 70% activity shifting upwards means the bullish trend itself. This is no brainer, I guess. Also go and check out the previous series and also go and use this tool so you can just have the clear bias understanding about bullish bias है, sell bias है, whether it's overvalued, below BPOC. For BPOC, you just have to turn the Nuvies mode and you can see whether the price is above BPOC or below BPOC. You can have the BPOCs of different time frames right here on the screen. Multiple YSL levels here on the screen, hot zones, valuation zones, and in third video series we'll be covering Camrilla. अभी तो मनी जोन ही समझाना बहुत कुछ बचा है. So this was the first part about POC. So basically I think I'm really clear on the POC point, and next videos we'll be learning more about value area highs, value areas low, and how to make the mixed logic from all those things. So that was the POC. So basically that was it for this video. So keep and like subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be uploading the second video of the POC series, in which we'll be discussing few things which are left for this video. And this is still half knowledge, guys, so you need to just go through the CPRs and all three time frames, and sorry, all three frameworks we'll be covering in the series videos. So stay tuned for more